Oh, here's a good question. They asked you to simplify, assume no radicals, whatever. Okay, so I need to simplify that. First thing I would do is use this rule, where if you have the square root of a times square root of b, that's the same thing as putting them both under the square root. So I would call that square root of 2xy times 14xy to the fourth. Okay, and then we can do sort of what you were doing, breaking the 14 up. So square root 2 times x times y times, now 14 is 2 times 7. And then it's got an x and it's got 4 y's. So since it's a square root, I look for two things the same inside, I can bring one out. So here's two 2's, I'll bring a 2 out. There's two x's, I can bring an x out. Here's two y's, bring a y out. Here's another two y's, bring that second y out. And then I think that's all I can bring out. Then I just write what's left inside. So there's a 7 in there, oh, and there's a y right there. So that would be my answer. Careful with just trying to take something out. You got to make sure that you have two of the same thing. So if there's two 2's, I can bring one out. If there's two x's, I can bring one out. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that one. Oh, I guess I should see if my answer's there. 2xy squared, that one, right there.